Okay, good morning. It is Thursday morning, and today I'm going to be doing a little bit of our functional circuit, the classes that we do on a Monday at 12:30 and 3 o'clock, and on a Thursday at 9 o'clock. So the exercises are more to do with strength, really good for any sort of arthritis of the hips and the knees. So nice and gently does it. We're going to do a minute on each station, okay? What we've got, and I'll show you, we've got a balance exercise. Now what you may not be able to see is I've got a chair here, but I can also put one here. So we're going to be standing on one leg. Of course we're used to having a surface underneath us that's wobbly, but we haven't got one here, so I'm using the lawn, which is very wobbly. We've got a Russian twist exercise. Now I've got a ball here. This is all about just gentle rotation. If we haven't got a ball, we can just do it this way. Okay, we can just do it this way. You can pretend you've got the ball. And then if it doesn't suit you, like everything, don't worry. I've put a chair here, and what we're going to be doing here is our sit to stand, okay? Or as I've just done, stand to sit. We can do it either way, so we can start standing, keep those heels on the floor, keep those feet hip width apart, or we can push up. Tell you what, we'll do 2 lots of it. We've also got my makeshift step here. Now as you can see, not much of a step, okay, but I wanted just to put one in. So what I'm going to get you to do is step, hold foot onto the step, really focus on lengthening through that leg, coming back down. We're going to do 5 on the left, 5 on the right. If you don't have a step like me, we're just going to simply take a little step backwards, and then we're going to drive through that heel, straighten up. I'm not sure you can see it properly there, so we're going to take a little step backwards, drive, come up, and then we're going to finish off with a wall press. As you can see, I haven't got a wall suitable here, so I'm going to be using an exercise band, and I'm going to be pushing away, controlling it back. So if you can find yourself a safe bit of wall where you can take those hands into that W position, hands slightly wider than the shoulders, and then we'll take our wall press up. It'll look something like that. Okay, but my chair's not stable enough to do it. So we should have warmed up before doing this session. So find my warm-up clip, do that, and then we should be ready to go, and we'll do all these exercises together. If you want to do them more than once, if you want to do it twice, have a little rest, a sip of water between. You can do it 3 times if you're feeling really excited, but if you've not been doing much for a while, just maybe do it the once through today. Okay, off we go. So, I'm getting my stopwatch. We're going to see if we can stand for 30 seconds on one leg and then 30 on the other. 3, 2, 1. I'm going to keep my chest lifted. I've got my hands there for balance. I'm pushing the supporting leg into the floor. So we're going to relax the shoulders. Keep that bottom in, keep that chest lifted. You've got those arms for balance if you need it. I'm going to check my watch. We've got another 10 seconds. Even just checking for the watch makes you a little bit wobbly. 3, 2, 1. We'll bring that foot down and we'll do the same on the other side. So we're really coping, using these core muscles, these balance muscles. If you need to hold on with both hands, that's fine. If you can take one hand away, great. If you can take maybe a couple of fingers away, and you may find you can take all of them. Brilliant. So, another 10 seconds. Relax the shoulders. If you can keep that bottom in, draw that tummy button in. 3, 2, 1, and we'll release. Okay, from that, we're going to come straight into sit to stand, or stand to sit to start off with. So, feet hip width apart. Remember, we're gluing the heels to the floor. 3, 2, 1. Down. Drive up through those heels. If your knees are giving you trouble, make the range a little bit smaller. Keep pushing that bottom backwards. We're aiming for the back of the chair. Good. So that's why the chair's there, just in case. Good. Really lengthen through those legs. Lift that chest at the end of it. Great. Looking good. Not sure I am, but you are. Great stuff. Okay. So you may find at this point you're feeling a little bit tired. Good. And if you do, we're going to stop. Only a few more. Oh, how many more? 3 more. 3. Good. Keep that chest lifted. You can see I'm trying to cheat. Last one. We're going to bring it up. Just move those feet a little bit. Catch your breath. So, let's move on to Russian twist. So if you've got a ball, if you haven't got this ball, we're just going to plant that tail, soften the knees a little bit, draw that tummy button in, and we're just simply going to take that little twist, and then we're going to bring it back to center. Good. So we're not having it too high so it hurts your shoulders. I've started the clock. Good. See if you can just rotate. Lovely. So we're just gently moving. So imagine you're stood against a wall and we're just rotating. So this little exercise is really good for those of you who enjoy the garden because it's constant twisting, rotating and moving. So we're just going to do this. Lovely. Now, again, this movement doesn't suit everyone. For some of you who struggle with the back, it could just create real problems. And if it does, I'm going to get you just to gently draw that tummy button in and just gently lift the ball as far as you feel comfortable and down. But back to the gentle twisting. Good. So we've got about 10 seconds to go. But again, you don't have to do the whole minute. And again, we can do a little bit more at a point if you feel comfortable. Okay, so that's a minute done. So we take the Russian twist back. Now, let's see if we can think about doing the sit to stand. All right, so this time we're taking our working position. Sure, my chair's slightly uneven. Blame the equipment always, okay? Blame the equipment. We're going to drive into those heels and we're going to stand all the way up. You might, if you're feeling insecure, shuffle backwards so you can feel the seat on the chair and then shuffle forwards again. Or you might think, no, I'm just going to go straight up and I'm going to come straight down. Good. If you are struggling with this, you can take your hands and just push yourselves up. So this is all about thigh strength, bottom strength, really important muscles. We want to keep them strong throughout this period of our lockdown. And you can do it anywhere. You can do it in your kitchen, in your living room, anywhere. I forgot to time again. Okay, if you want to make it harder, you can take the hands here. You could have a chair in front of you, not like that, just in case you're not sure. Okay, so we're going to see if we can do just a couple more. Good. Try and really lower yourself down with control. Drive it up. And then that'll do, I think. Let's just walk it out. Great work. You can see my strength is not as good as it should be after the classes are finished. Okay, not finished. Postponed. All right, postponed. All right, so I've got my step. So I'm going to take my right leg and I'm just going to step. Notice I'm not stepping on the ball of the foot. This is about strength and balance. So we're going to see if we can drive through that leg, straighten out that leg, step down with the left leg, bring the right. So we're stepping right, straightening through that leg, coming down. So the size of the step will depend on you. Don't pick a step that's so high that you're going to end up with an inflamed knee joint, okay? But try and find something that will challenge you. Obviously, this isn't the best for me, so while you're stepping 5 on the right, 5 on the left, I'm going to do a little challenge that's going to work the muscles. It's like a half backward lunge. Okay, so I'm keeping my knee in line with that big toe, pushing through the whole foot, and I'm coming down, keeping that chest lifted. Good. And I'm going to do 5 on the other side. Brilliant. So we're doing 5 on the left. So if we're stepping, and if we haven't got a step, we may find we have to improvise, which is what I'm doing now. Good. I've got no idea if that was 5. Let's do another 5 on each leg if we can. And and the sun is shining. Thank goodness. Okay, and we're keeping fit and strong. Okay, so we can get through this really odd period by putting together, keeping our body healthy, keeping our minds healthy. So enjoy this blue sky and this sunshine. Good. Okay, just move those feet a little bit. Last exercise, we're going to do that wall press. So if you're going to find a safe wall at home, don't do it on a door generally, because the door will open. And we're going to relax the shoulders, draw those shoulder blades down the back towards the bottom, and we're going to see if we can take about a minute. Okay, so I'm estimating it'll be about 10 or 12. And we're going to just make sure we breathe out when we're doing this and control that movement back. So it's flowed, it's controlled. Just keep drawing those shoulder blades down the back. Keep that chest lifted. Try not to push your chin forwards. You know that sort of pushing. So keep that chin drawn to the back of the mat. Excellent. Good. And we're just going to do a few more of these. I'll check my watch. Yeah, a few more. Good. If you haven't got a band, if you haven't got a wall, we can just imagine we're pushing against something. It's surprisingly effective. So push. Good. And we're going to push. Excellent. We're going to do one more of these. And let's just shake those arms out a little bit. Shake those legs out a little bit. So what I am going to throw into the mix, and I didn't think about it earlier, is if you've got a band, great. If you haven't, what we're going to do is this upper back row. So we're going to just squeeze the shoulder blades together. Okay, let's do 10 of those. Squeeze. And we just, it's almost like a rowing action. So imagine you're on a boat. We're rowing that boat. If you can, palms facing upwards, so that's a slightly odd bit. And if you've got a band, what we can do is just create some tension in that band and take that rowing movement. Good. Take that rowing movement. Okay. And we're going to relax. Just roll the shoulders, guys. And then I'm going to get you to do the cool down that I've done already. And well done. Thanks very much. Remember, guys, if you are feeling poorly, if you're not feeling great, don't worry about these exercises. If you want to stop feeling so stiff, just do the warm-up if you need to. But it's a pleasure seeing you.